Hey, Sonny here. So I bought this new speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker for outdoor, indoor use. I saw someone had this while I was at the beach. And it sounded pretty good with the bass. And the cool thing about this is that it has a um, guitar plug-in. So the picture is over here, right here is where the guitar plug-in. There's a mic plug-in. So you can actually play guitar through this. So I don't know how good that is, but the speaker sounded pretty good when I heard it. It's 200 watts when you plug in, 120 watt if you use on battery. It charges and it got about 100-hour playback time. So it's weather resistance. It's IPX4 rating, so you can withstand some rain if you're outdoor. So I'm gonna unbox this in this video, and then I'm gonna spend some time playing around with it in a second video. But so let's break it open. So when you first open this box, you got the power cord, and then you got the mic. Comes with one mic. Actually, you can use up to two mics, or one mic with one guitar. I guess for karaoke with the mic. There's a gain knob for guitar, so we'll figure out how good that is. But if you take out the two styrofoam in there, the product is in a bag. So you just break it open. Probably not. Just grab a hold of this. It's pretty heavy. So let's open the. And inside the bag, inside the box, you got the manual instructions. And then you got this, what's this? A quick start guide. And there goes my cat in the box. Hey, Harry. So let's open this bag and check it out. Alright, so here's the Monster 270X speaker out of the box. So the cool thing about this, you got the speaker on both sides, plus the front. It's got the handle to carry. And you can also, as a handle, you can roll it around in with this thing out. Like that. And like I say, there's a mic on top. The second one down there, you can use mic or guitar. That's a gain knob for both mic or guitar. You also got some echo effects as well. You have a bass boost. There's a USB. So all these plugins is covered by the rubber. So this for weather resistance. You can do line out, auxiliary in. You got the light on both sides. What else? We'll go through the knobs when we start playing around with it. But in the back of the speaker, you can see I can roll it around with the wheels at the bottom. In the back, it actually has a bottle opener. The power button, power on and off buttons in the back. There's the input powers where you plug the power cord in. It also comes with a little bag in the back, so you can place your microphone in there. Oh, and there's a little spot on top for you can put your tablet, supposedly, on there. Again, that's like a it does have a. Sorry, I lost my track of thoughts. But anyway, so this is it, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to use this thing, get it charged up, and then I'm gonna put it in another video on testing it out. Thanks for watching.